So let's talk about the Santeva immune support because it contains vitamin D, which has several important functions, including fighting disease, reducing the risk of respiratory infections, protecting against viruses like influenza, as well as promoting healthy bones and lowering blood pressure. Vitamin D also helps skin from prematurely aging and can even help treat skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema. So it helps the skin to grow and repair itself and ups its resiliency. Now, we also added vitamin C to the immune support because of its ability to fend off signs of aging thanks to the vital role that it plays in the body's natural collagen synthesis. But vitamin C also helps to heal damaged skin. It can also help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and plays an incredibly important role in removing dark spots because it helps to inhibit the enzyme tyrosinase, which in turn helps prevent melanin production and removes dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Now, taking the Santeva immune support is very simple, just 2 capsules daily, preferably with a meal. As always, thank you for watching.